Freelancing and remote work have revolutionized the way people earn money, offering flexibility, independence, and global opportunities. To get started, identify your marketable skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, or virtual assistance. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Toptal connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Creating a strong profile is crucial. Highlight your expertise, showcase a portfolio, and gather positive reviews to build credibility. Beginners should start with smaller gigs to gain experience before bidding on higher-paying projects. Pricing your services competitively is key. Research what others in your field charge and adjust based on your skill level. Many freelancers begin with lower rates to attract clients, then increase them as they gain testimonials. Clear communication with clients is essential. Understand their requirements, set realistic deadlines, and deliver quality work to encourage repeat business. Specializing in a niche, for example, Shopify design or SEO writing, can help you stand out and command higher rates. Remote work extends beyond freelancing, with companies hiring employees for full-time or part-time roles. Job boards like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and LinkedIn's remote job listings are great places to search. Roles like customer support, project management, and software development are commonly available. A well-crafted resume and cover letter tailored to remote work, emphasizing self-discipline, time management, and tech proficiency, can improve your chances. Time management is critical in freelancing and remote work. Without a structured office environment, distractions can reduce productivity. Tools like Trello, Asana, or Google Calendar help organize tasks, while techniques like the Pomodoro method improve focus. Setting up a dedicated workspace and maintaining a routine can mimic an office environment, boosting efficiency. Payment methods vary. Freelancers often use PayPal, Wise, or direct bank transfers. Be mindful of fees and exchange rates when working with international clients. Invoicing tools like FreshBooks or Wave streamline billing and ensure timely payments. Saving a portion of income for taxes is also important, as freelancers are typically responsible for their own tax filings. Networking plays a significant role in long-term success. Engage in online communities, for example, Facebook groups, Slack channels, or Reddit forums, related to your field to find job leads and advice. Building relationships with clients can lead to referrals and steady work. Continuous learning is equally vital. Take online courses, Udemy, Coursera, or earn certifications to stay competitive. Challenges like inconsistent income and client disputes are common. Having multiple income streams, for example, combining freelancing with passive income, can provide stability. Always use contracts for larger projects to outline scope, payment terms, and deadlines, protecting both parties. Freelancing and remote work offer freedom but require discipline and adaptability. By honing skills, delivering value, and managing operations efficiently, you can build a sustainable career from anywhere in the world. Whether as a side hustle or full-time venture, the opportunities in this digital economy are vast for those willing to put in the effort.